The thought of almost giving up and not knowing that right when you're about to give up. You are literally at the doorstep of achieving everything you have ever wanted. Can you guys just imagine fighting through life and every hurdle that you've ever experienced in life for your dreams, and right when you're about to make it, that's when you give up? The irony of life is that most of the times when we are about to get to what we have been praying for, working so hard for so long, that's when it gets the hardest. That's when it gets unbearable. That's when every muscle in our body is tired, fed up, has had enough with the failures and the no's and the disappointment. I hope this video reminds you not to give up. I hope it reminds you that you're closer to your goals than you think, and all you need is a little more patience and perseverance. It will happen for you. Your dreams will come true, no matter what they look like, no matter how big or small you think they are. They will come to pass. Sometimes you may not see any signs of being close to your dreams. Sometimes it's the faith you have in your dreams and visions that will get you there.